Alright, nothing beats a good red pasta sauce, and today we're going to be making it a little spicy. It's arrabbiata, so let's hop right into it. We're going to want to start by taking 4 garlic cloves, and we're going to thinly slice these. Now, if you want to mince them, that's totally fine. You can go ahead and do that, and then we're going to take 3 basil leaves and just tear in half. Now things are going to get a little spicy, so let's talk about Calabrian chilies. These things are the perfect mixture of both citrus and spice. For this recipe, I'm using about 5 to 6. I would test them before you use just to see what kind of spice level they're bringing, and we're just going to mince this up and then set it off to the side. For cooking the sauce, we're going to take a high-walled saucepan, add in a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and a really important step here, we're going to add in the garlic, chilies, and the basil in while the oil's cold. Turn the heat to medium, and then we're going to cook for a few minutes. This is really going to help bring out the flavor of the ingredients. Once you have some nice color on your garlic, then we're going to add in 1 28-ounce can of some really nice tomatoes. I'm talking San Marzano, along with a cup of water, and then we're going to crush these tomatoes with a spoon or a spatula. After you crush your tomatoes and they're to the chunkiness that you like, we're going to bring this to a simmer, and in total it's going to take about 20 minutes, and just make sure to frequently stir. About halfway through simmering, now we're going to heavily salt some pasta water, and then I like to use about 12 ounces of dried penne for this, but you can use whatever pasta you want. Back to our sauce, you're going to know this is done when it's thickened up quite a bit, but also when you take a spoon through it and it leaves a streak in the pan. And then we're just going to season to taste with some kosher salt and some black pepper. Give it a stir until it's all mixed, and now you can add in your cooked pasta. Make sure to save at least a half cup of the pasta water just in case you need it at the end, and then we're going to stir this, making sure that everything is fully coated. And then finally, we're going to season to taste with a little bit more kosher salt and black pepper if needed. This recipe is so simple, but sometimes that's the beauty of it, and the same goes with our plating here. I'm just adding it to a bowl, and then in terms of garnish, we're using a little bit extra torn basil and some fresh Parmesan cheese, and you're done. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.